The car is stuck. The car is stuck almost like just in the middle of the street. Or maybe just stopped.
I would hate to be in that situation.
But they had to get the liquor. It's the liquor store right there. Keep warm.
Hey, cat.
Hopefully, it's illegal to film Chicago police.
Whatever.
Oh, that's what they. Oh, got out.
This would be a good time to have like a Subaru or something.
Yeah,
Like that.
that's messed up. The guy is a delivery pizza guy. People still ordering pizzas. See, that's why I don't wanna go. Look, isn't that messed up?
Yeah.
It's a record storm, and people still have to get out their house to walk the freaking dog. You wanna throw it at other people?
That's for having a dog.
Yeah. Here you go, dog lovers. Oh, it's another police. Oh wow, look. Well, can you even see? Oh wow, it's fierce. What are you going to do?
Here. Get out of the way.
Why did you throw it from here? That's a... You? And you're afraid of him. Why didn't you look see if there was a car coming?
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You almost hit the car. You're afraid of him. You are.
I do not feel like a champion for justice right now.
Well,
I feel like a lawbreaker.
you'd be a champion of justice if you're throwing snowballs at cars.
Whatever.
Oh wow, this is really bad. And it's gonna keep snowing for like the next what, 10 hours?
Something like that.
More than that. They said middle of Wednesday.
It's supposed to stop like 4 tomorrow. 5.
Okay, baby, can you get me a Subway? It's right there.
No.
You have to walk like, see, 1, 2, 3, like
You really
40
want me to go get
steps.
you a Subway? Because I can do it if you can take me and feel really bad about it.
I can throw you a snowball.
Show me how it feels.
Yeah. What do you think that person driving felt? They're already scared because they're driving in this
Baby,
conditions.
stop it.
Then you terrorize them with snowballs. On the way there, it might turn into ice.
On the way there, it turned to ice.
Yeah.
Did you see the light?
Yeah. Oh wow. Electricity is going. See, that person is going to get Subway.
Which person?
What if you walk into Subway? See, told you. So in this storm, don't scare me. I'm getting me a Subway. Oh. Stop. Did we lose the power here?
What?
Well, it's nasty outside. See, even the cars think it's nasty.
Emergency blinkers on.
I'm shaking now how cold I am now. Oh, I can't see anymore. There's another stuck car thing. That one's coming up pretty fast. Why is she trying to stop? Ooh, look at him, what's he watch? That one's gonna crash on point. It's gonna try to stop and it's not gonna be able to stop. Well, can't even see it anymore. See, if the big cars are coming slow, the little tiny one is going too fast.
Look at that bus.
Yeah.
Chugga chug, chugga chug, chugga chug.
Okay. Let's get inside. I didn't get to see an accident.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Stupid people.